Is soup good for weight loss? Losing weight can be difficult because you often feel hungry when you eat less. Soup can help overcome this because it's filling without too many calories. Soups are easy to make and prepare, therefore good for home-cooked diet meals. So, is soup good for weight loss? Let's see. In a recent study, participants who ate 2 servings of low-energy dense soups per day experienced 50% more weight loss than those who ate the same amount of calories in a high-energy dense snack. Providing you eat the right types of soup, they can be good for weight loss. Why soup can help with weight loss? As soups are water-based, they can help you lose weight because of their low-calorie density. Basically, they have a smaller number of calories compared to their serving size. Furthermore, individuals who eat clear or broth-type soups have an even better chance of losing weight. Fiber and protein are filling nutrients, so choose a soup with ingredients such as vegetables, beans and lean protein. Which soup should I avoid? Soup will not help you lose weight if it is high in calories and not very filling. Therefore, soups with cheese, for example cheese and broccoli, are not good for you. The same can be said for cream-based soups, such as cream of mushroom or tomato. They all contain high-fat dairy products. Try to avoid bread and butter with your soup, and also croutons, noodles, cheese or other high-calorie toppings. What are the nutritional benefits? If you add nutrient-rich, low-calorie ingredients, you will be getting essential vitamins and minerals from soup. When you are reducing your food intake as you try to lose weight, it is important to still get all of the nutrients you need. For example, your soup can include foods such as carrots, for potassium, and vitamin A, chicken breast for vitamin B12. So are soups a low-calorie substitute? To lose weight, eat soup instead of higher-calorie foods or meals. Broth-based bean soup with vegetables, for example, can be lower in calories than beef chili, which may be high in saturated fat and cholesterol. Save hundreds of calories by having tomato or minestrone soup instead of a large plate of pasta and tomato sauce. Soup can also be a low-calorie warm snack. A bowl of soup can be more filling and lower in calories than a large hot chocolate or coffee with sugar and milk. In summary, a soup-based diet can be very beneficial as a means of weight loss. It is good to have a broad and varied range of soups to choose from, ensuring a beneficial spread of nutritional content and vitamins. So is soup good for weight loss? Providing you choose the right types of soup, then yes it is.